Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be making 5 origami animals. You will need square pieces of paper for each one. Now let's get into the video. First we're going to be making a cat. To start off with, fold your paper diagonally. Then fold a little bit at the top of the triangle. Now fold the other two corners to make the cat's ears. Now when you're done, flip it over and draw the cat's face. Now, let's move on to the pig. As earlier, fold your paper diagonally. And again on the other edge. Now fold 2 of the 4 corners so that they meet at the middle. Now fold it in half. And another fold like this. Now fold the 2 corners at the top to make the pig's ears. Finally, draw the pig's eyes and its nose. And now we're done. So let's move on to the dog. Like before, we're gonna fold it diagonally again and do the same on the other edge. Now fold the 2 corners to make its ears. And fold a little bit at the bottom like this. Now it's time to draw. And do remember, if you find this easy, it is going to get progressively harder. Now let's move on to the fish. As usual, fold the paper diagonally. And the same on the other side. And in half. And now make sure the 2 middle lines meet each other to form a triangle. Now flip your triangle and fold it like this to form its fins. Now let's fold the bottom and the top to make it look like an actual fish. Now all you have to do is just draw on it like this. Now let's move on to the mouse. Fold the paper diagonally and fold it again like this. And fold it back to make the mouse's ears. Fold a little bit at the bottom. And a little bit at the top. Now it's time to draw. After drawing its ears, we're going to start dotting around it to make it realistic. And now we're finally finished. This was our final animal. Here's the end result, and thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Bye!